Let him go. Is this what Abigail would have wanted?
Abigail is gone.
This won't change anything. Trust me. I know.
Listen to the kid, Callahan. Please, let me go. I'll give you anything you want.
I want my daughter back.
Go for the mask!
It's a suit. Hello, sign. Here we go for a little spin. Double spin. That spin.
Baymax! Hero!
I love that robot!
Okay, new plan. Forget the mask. Take out the bots. You'll get sucked up into the portal. Now that is a plan! Honey, Fred, can you give us some cover?
Like you have to have.
Let's do this, Freddy!
Smoke breed!
Ready? And dive! Whoa, gravity's getting a little weird here, guys. Wait, let's use this. Green blaze of fury. Ha! Devil sign bit. Devil signs are on fire!
Get him more action!
Back kick, knife hand, roundhouse, hammer fist.
This ends now!
Looks like you're out of microbots. Baymax. Our programming prevents us from injuring